Hi guys, so we're here outside the house. Replace the headlights
Again.
again. How many times already?
This will be the fourth one that I've replaced since December 2017.
When we bought this van. Actually, we just
Don't buy
replaced this.
a Ram Promaster. I mean, if you don't mind changing headlights every couple months, few months, you don't mind, get your Promaster. You mind, don't get a Promaster. They are junk. I like the van,
I like the look.
yeah, but I just don't like the.
Changing all the time. And this one, we just replaced it a couple of weeks only. And we bought the very expensive headlights.
Next time,
$50.
don't buy the expensive one. And
Yep. We tried to buy the expensive one. So
thinking
maybe,
it dead last.
yeah, but it's not. So now we use the second headlights. So after that we will buy a
Second headlight on the same side.
mm-hmm.
This is the last one I replaced.
It's a beautiful day here in Texas. A little bit windy, but it's not too hot, warm, you know.
Hmm.
Try it out.
Go turn the.
This is the light that we got. What happened, guys? I thought it's just only loose, but look at it. He's like a doctor. You need to wear a gloves because
Dr. Jellyfinger.
wow.
Yeah, here's the fun part. This.
Oh, when you put it back.
To stick your hands.
Uh-huh. And then you got a big hands.
No, I got this.
You have a big hands.
I
Yeah,
got a little.
yeah, very big.
And then just slide it down those little.
I already cleaned the van, guys. Look at it. It's pretty clean. We got a bed there. There you go. Go. It's working pretty bright.
Yeah, everybody blinks their bright lights at me because they think it's I'm on my bright light.
Mm-hmm. Good job, boy.
What a good design. I mean, they built these. They built these. The headlight's so high because what is the main crash? Head front end. Run in the ass of somebody. Bumpers in three pieces. So you can replace, and the headlights are so high so that the damage won't be to the headlights.
Mm-hmm.
Good thinking. I don't know exactly what the filter's for.
Pour some? What is that?
Windshield wiper fluid. See?
Fuller? Oh wow, it's full now.
I use the hell out of that thing. I don't know. Yeah, I put a little more in it after the bubbles settle. That's full.
So this is what inside the engine. And there's the transmission here. Oh, what is this?
For the radiator.
Why it's not full now? It's alright.
Because Don Davis worked on it.
Oh my goodness. Oh, my allergy, guys. So guys, look at how dirty our van. What to do? We washed it after we drove it to road.
Yeah, we wash it and then we drive right down the road. It starts pouring down rain and gets dirty again.
Yeah.
Why wash it?
Oh yeah. So both the headlights are working now. Power steering. Brake.
Yeah, they were supposed to flush this out, flush that out.
What is the change oil? Where's the change oil when they do
Well, you
that?
got to drain it from the below.
I did okay.
And then here's the filter. You got
Oh,
to take that off.
the one
That's
we
where
buy?
That's where the oil filter goes, and here's where you fill it in. Here's where you check it.
So you need to change the filter every time you change oil? No. Oh? So that was included in the Walmart price? Oh, not bad.
Yep.
But why we bought a lots of filter?
Just in case.
Oh,
One of them will get
okay. So that's it, guys. So tomorrow we gotta load back to Arkansas. So hope you enjoyed this video. So that's how we replace the headlights.
Go
Easy, but
back up.